Some great journalist, I think it was, made a crack, which has become widely well known. You've probably heard it. And it goes like this. The first casualty in every war is the truth. Wars being what they are have motivated lots of people, not just America, but all kinds of people all around the world to start telling monstrous make-believe. And again, there are many motivations. No leader of a war wants to be the loser, because that's usually the end of your career. So you got to be the winner. And no one wants to hear about the lost battles. They want to hear about the valiant achievements. And that's usually on both sides. So you should be, you really should be, deeply skeptical of anything that sounds like an official assessment of something in a war, unless it is so lopsided, the war, that one side doesn't need it, doesn't need the public. It's not that they wouldn't do it. It's not that they haven't done it, but they don't need it this time. Anyway.